Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Shopify subscription renewal reminders, full guide step by step clearly. To disable Shopify subscription renewal reminders, start by logging into your Shopify admin account. Click on the Apps section in the left-hand menu. Locate the subscription app you are using from the list of installed apps. Click on the app to open its settings. Within the app, search for the settings related to subscription notifications or reminders. This section might be labeled differently based on the app you are using. Look for the option that allows you to manage email notifications. Select the option to disable renewal reminders or notifications. Ensure that you save your changes before exiting the app settings. If your app requires confirmation for changes, follow the prompts to confirm. Next, it's advisable to test the subscription process. Create a test subscription to verify that reminders are no longer being sent. Check the email associated with the test account for any subscription reminders. If you receive no reminders, you have successfully disabled them. If you still encounter issues, consider consulting the app's support resources. You can also reach out to Shopify support for further assistance if needed. Make sure to regularly monitor your subscription settings for any updates or changes. By following these steps, you will effectively manage your subscription reminders on Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.